Washington is one of the most recognizable cityscapes in the world. Deeply rooted in the city's form are signature qualities, such as broad sunlit streets and an unmistakable civic skyline that serves as a powerful symbolic image. There are a number of features that contribute to the region's form and character, one of which is the continued important role of the federal government in defining Washington's image. To ensure that future development reflects Washington's status as the nation's capital, NCPC proposes the addition of a new federal urban design element to the comprehensive plan. What is urban design? Urban design involves the enhancement of a place's unique character through the development and management of buildings and public spaces. This includes building yards, streetscapes, parks, and plazas. Good urban design is an important ingredient in creating an active public realm. The shape and quality of the public realm is strongly linked to the city's form and character. Engaging people in the public realm is a vital part of American civic life, and Washington's original plans reinforce this value. We want to think about the visual and functional qualities of our spaces, both for our national image and the everyday experience. The draft Federal Urban Design Elements policies are divided into two areas of focus. Part 1 looks at Washington's form and character. Part 2 addresses urban design principles for federal facilities and property. Part 1 establishes an urban design framework that is defined as a unique system of natural and built forms perceived as interrelated parts fitted together to form the city's composition. This framework acts as a blueprint to inform future development. Part 1 also includes general urban design principles that reflect Washington's dynamic identity. It is a nation's capital, a competitive 21st century city, a hometown, and a city with a distinctive natural landscape. Policies focus on national capital form and character. These policies provide guidance to maintain and enhance Washington's distinctive qualities, as well as improve the public realm and pedestrian experience around nationally significant civic and cultural spaces. Viewsheds are also of particular focus because the capital city is designed to be experienced and viewed from edge to edge. Sweeping panoramic vistas and long views of the skyline's iconic landmarks, memorials, and natural features make Washington unique and reinforce its role as our nation's capital. The views and visual relationships that connect the city's system of public spaces is a public trust and a valued amenity that shapes the human experience and is at the core of Washington's urban design framework. Part 2 of the element establishes policies which guide decisions related to site planning and more nuts and bolts issues on how federal buildings and property engage the public realm in both an urban and regional context. It tackles core issues such as street-level active uses, programming, design of open spaces, connectivity, and security elements. We've also developed a technical addendum to supplement our policy document that is comprised of two sections. The first is an introductory overview of formative contributors to Washington's urban design framework. The second includes a viewshed policy framework that supplements the element's viewshed policies. Your feedback will help us refine the draft element policies. Once approved by NCPC, the urban design element will guide development of federal buildings and campuses by helping the Commission identify and address relevant issues as it reviews regional federal development plans and proposals.